Tranquility?
Una siembra es como los cimientos de una casa.
No, as an investment, this is an excellent property.
Y las tarifas van de esta, en temporada, lo más bajo está en $1,500 por noche, más alto $2,300. Porque cada habitación
Okay.
es privada.
Okay.
Sí, es separada de toda la casa.
Okay, good. You can stay here and you have your own room. Nobody's bothering you. It's private.
Y la vista, tienes dos vistas.
Okay. And it's got the best views.
Al norte, sí.
The best views. And
Thank you very much for bringing
lot
me up here.
dimension is 3,680 square foot.
Wow.
And the construction is 1,863 square foot. You get 10 over
a
there.
A wedding?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
You know, that looks like a wedding little venue, right?
Yeah, it does.
Small one, but.
Oh, welcome.
Oh. God dang.
Yeah. So what she was explaining in the in the golf court, that she likes this house also because you can rent out. It's a good investment because you can rent out all the little casitas down there.
For sure.
And you can still be living in this one up here.
Yeah, perfect.
Y tienes dos vistas, que es el norte y el sur.
Yeah, that's
So that's how you get
that
over
you
there.
guys, the window, that was no window here, but all the way here on the vistas. That was architect took advantage of the actual natural stuff that you have going on here. We're literally sitting between the ocean, basically, right?
Yes.
Oh, I like the granite here too. This is one of my favorite. Excellent selection. They have a lot of this stuff in Mexico. This is hard to find, huh?
I'm sure this is imported.
Yeah.
Yeah, this looks maybe like Brazilian or
For
Italian.
sure.
Tiene un nombre en especial, el mar.
Sí. Yo no sé de malo.
I don't even want to know what the cabinets cost.
Yeah.
We just got our cabinet bill for my new build. It's like crazy. So these are all handmade, right? So the guy made here, or they brought them here and then they assembled them?
No, aquí.
Yeah,
Okay.
everything here.
Wow.
It's all
This
custom
is
made.
for hijos? Sí, hijos. Okay. Oh,
No,
this-
está afuerita, sí. Ah, ok. Entonces ahora pusieron esta mesita
Sí,
aquí.
pero van a cambiar algunas.
Coco, buddy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool, cool, cool. You want to go? You going to be scared? Come on, buddy. Yeah, come on. I got you. Come here. Come here. I thought he wasn't going to go down.
They say that it looks like it's your dog, man.
I know. I love dogs, man. There's an old joke. You guys might not like it, but I'm going to tell it to you anyways.
Okay.
Don't be mad at me, okay? So it says, you put your dog and you put him in the trunk and you open up the trunk and you're going to see who's happy to see you. You do that with your wife and you're going to see the whole point.
Put her in the trunk.
The whole point is your dog is always happy to see you no matter what.
Yeah.
It's not that you're going to put your wife in the trunk. I'm just saying that the dog is never going to be mad at you. That's why it's called its man's best friend, right? You're never going to. I told you you're not going to like it. But Coco, where you at, buddy? Now I miss my dog. Okay. So this is a casita.
Las cortinas.
Yes, this is the first casita, and this is the master room.
It's like the honeymoon suite.
Yes.
All these amazing designs, everything technical. This is concrete, right?
This is concrete.
But they colored it.
Yes.
Sí.
And it's way more expensive to color it.
Yeah. Minka. Those are Minka fans. Minka Air. I have those in several of my houses. Those are nice fans. Yeah, I kind of like Coco. So this one, the same price or a little bit less?
300, 400 per night. Yeah.
Depending.
This feels like, I feel like I'm in Hawaii, Africa, or something like that.
It's funny.
You know?
I stayed in a place like this in Africa.
Yeah, it does remind. I've seen pictures of places like this in Africa.
In a safari. They were orangutans hanging off the thing, and we were like staying in something like this. It was really.
Where at? Which one?
It was called Wordley. So the orangutans were literally hanging off the hillside. Like we were in the same type of place, and like probably where that hill is right there, the orangutans would just hang out there and chirp like boop, 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 all night. And then they had this thing, and they had like same exact build. I wish I didn't have any videos back then, so.
Yeah.
But it was really, really cool. Is this all? This is gonna be developed. This is not all developed. Okay, so you're selling lots too?
Lots, but they also sell the house. Like you have to build your house with their.
No, I understand. I understand. Where are we at right now? We're right here.
Here.
Okay. This is a grande project.
Sí.
So once it's all done, once it's completo, ¿cuánto casas? Look like 100.
menos. No queremos hacer un desarrollo tan poblado. Queremos respetar las áreas verdes.
Like
Por
50,
ejemplo, esta punta toda es área común y siempre se va a quedar ahí. Entonces sí, yo creo que
About 50.
como 50 casas.
But nothing built over here. Is this the one we were up with the two vistas?
No,
Would be a bit acá, como por acá, ¿no?
One of these? No?
es por aquí. Sí, es.
Sí,
Okay. Yeah, because I figure right here on the coming book.
es.
So with the flags are what? Future home sites?
Pues son lotes que en teoría podrían vender, pero hasta ahora los tienen ahí, así como áreas verdes.
Okay. So the name of the community is Punta Sayulita, and the brand is Higher Living. Is this the name of the company?
Sí, es
That built this, but the Punta Sayulita is the name of the project.
Okay, Punta Sayulita.
Yes.
Okay. And this is like the sales office?
The lobby, the welcome
Welcome lobby.
lobby.
So if somebody coming new for the keys, hi, welcome, little beverage. Okay.
De miércoles a domingo, a lunes, tenemos una persona aquí, una chica,
See?
que te recibe.
But Tuesdays is closed.
Tuesday.
Okay. You smile like that. She's like, why? Too much? Bastante trabajando?
Sí.
Sí.
Sí, sí.
Tuesday. And you're still
wow.
working today, so
Hombre.
muchos gracias,
No,
Veronica.
gracias a ti. Esperemos que compres una propiedad con nosotros.
Sí.
Una buena opción
I have to
para
check with my wife with everything. You
Claro.
understand. So we're going to get the information, the records. You're going to,
Yes.
okay?
Sí,
And we
sería
look at
genial.
it.
Esa es una buena oportunidad para invertir.
It's a good opportunity for,
Invest.
okay, got you. Yeah, I think if you're getting the numbers, it's, all about the numbers, right?
Claro.
So we just got done with a magnificent tour of
Punta Sayulita.
Punta Sayulita.
It's a private community, a little bit south from Sayulita, but it's in the town of Sayulita.
So it's amazing. We toured the building or toured the property with the owner's wife, an architect and builder. So they custom designed this whole community based on living in the jungle and all the elements of like wood, views, and a private beach. And it's a very luxury living facility in the jungle. And people are paying between $1,500 and $2,000.
$500, depending on the season.
And if you are interested in this property, as I'm interested in this property, contact Maria at
Maria, lowercase, SB Realtors, or my email would be maria@sbrealtors.mx.
Definitely subscribe to the channel if you got any questions about Mexico. And if you're interested in investing in Mexico, comment below and hit up Maria and she'll get you started.
Thank you.
All right, peace.